Are you frustrated with persistent electrical problems? You're not alone. Every day, business and homeowners face electrical issues that have the potential to disrupt their lives. Star Mechanical is here to help you. We specialize in both residential and commercial electrical services. Our team ensures your systems comply with the latest electrical codes. Our expert electricians provide safety, efficiency, and peace of mind, and we handle wiring, troubleshooting, and panel upgrades. What makes us different? We are committed to delivering quality service and getting the job done correctly. Our established relationships with city inspectors ensure seamless inspections. Don't let electrical issues worsen. Contact Star Mechanical for efficient solutions today. Call 940-549-7686. Join countless happy customers. Reach out now and discover the Star Mechanical difference.